Good morning, everyone. You all are know we already read the poem in previous class, and today we are going to discuss about question and answer of my poem. So let's start the discussion. First part is all about reading, and the first one is name a few things that sink. Means you have to write the name of few things which sink into the water. Okay? Here you can see the answer. Name a few things that sink. Answer is some things that are sink or lead, marble and stone. You can write your own answer which are things sink into the water. You can write here. Okay. Our next question is list 3 questions that the little boy asked. In this poem, this little boy has asked many questions. You have to write down any 3 questions out of them. So the question are: why do lead and marble sing? Why does sun shine? Why does wind blow? We already know the boy has asked many questions, and we will write only 3 questions because in this question only 3 asked. Here you can see the 3 questions, and these are the 3 questions that the little boy has asked. You can write other question also. Okay. Next question is: what sort of a boy is described in the poem? Means the boy which is mentioned in the poem, which type of that boy is. You have 3 options: sad, curious and brave. The boy is whether sad, whether curious or whether brave. The right answer you have to tick here, and the right answer is curious. So you have to tick on the curious. Means a person, curious means a person who is interested to know new things. So you have to tick on curious. The next one is about word building. Question is: fill in the blanks with words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentence. You can see here colored word: why, no and found and sink. Okay. First is: why is the dash so high? Here why is colored, so the rhyming of why we have to fill in the blanks with the word which is rhyme with why. sky. Why is the sky so high? And the answer is sky. Y and sky is rhyming word. See, Y and sky is rhyming word. Next, do you know the color of dash? No. Here the colored one words is no. K-N-O-W. You have to write the rhyming words of no. Think about it and write. Do you know the color of snow? S-N-O-W, and no and snow is rhyme word. Next, have you found who made the dash? Here the colored one word is found. F-O-U-N-D, found. Have you found who made the dash? You have to write the rhyming word of found. Answer is sound. Okay, found, sound. Found and sound is rhyming word. Next, put the glass in the sink after you finish your dash. Put the glass in the sink. Sink is the colored one. And the answer is milk. Put the glass in the sink after you finish your milk. Even you can write drink also. Okay, sink, drink, milk. Okay, sink, milk, drink are rhyming word. My dear students, I hope you all are understood question and answer which I taught today. So, thank you.